I wanted to make a game, but I only had 1 hour in which I would do that. But I thought that's all you need, so I just got to it. When I thought of some hyper-casual games to steal an idea from, I remembered those grappling games where you had to put in some money and you would get like some crazy off-brand toy. Yeah, good memories wasting my lunch money on it. And because I was too lazy to make it in 3D, I decided to make a 2D version. I never made a game like that, and I thought it would just crash and burn in arrows and it wouldn't work or something, but I think in the end it turned out really fine. I first got started on the grappler. I made 2 points for it to travel between at a set speed with some simple boolean logic. When you press the E key, the grappler would move down to a certain height, at a separate speed, move up again and start moving around again. Then I got to the toys, and without thinking too much of it, what's the most fun toy that pops into your head? That's right, it's a ball. You can do lots of stuff with it, like kick it around, throw it in a basket, throw it at small children. And since there are no actual balls in 2D similar to your ball sack, I just made the flat version, a circle. I just threw in a small amount, like 50 or 60, gave them some physics, and voila. To add some variation, I gave all of them a random value, which would determine the score you'd get once you caught one of them. I made them have a random scale and a color, ranging from red to green depending on their value. To make them grabbable, is that right? To make them grabbable, I made a claw, just being some squares I put colliders on, and then used Unity's animation system to make an open and close animation. I tried to make the open animation play once you press E and close when you reach the ground, but triggers don't work so well with my crappy boolean code. But it kinda works and I only had 1 hour, so I just decided to go with it. I made a trigger on the left side of the screen which increases a value by taking some of the ball's values and added them to a score. And then finally destroy them. To make the game look cool, I decided to add a cable thing and a circle texture, which was just a pixelated circle with an out. I know, my creativity is just too much to handle sometimes. I also wasted some time trying to make a claw texture, but it was just doomed to not work. After I was done, I thought I wanted to do something, so I added 15 minutes to my time limit, in which I added an actual challenge to do as much as you can in certain time frames, separated going down and controlling the claw, and a menu. Oh, I also added one sound, which plays when you got a circle. Also, during the entire time I didn't add any post-processing, neither did I add any particles, which we all know would have made the game like 100% better. Yeah, thanks for watching. I don't know why you're still here. I do appreciate it though. Abuse that like and subscribe button, and see ya.